EMA Trading Strategy using 21 EMA, 70 EMA, 144 EMA. Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy. In this video, we're diving deep into a powerful trading strategy using 21 EMA, 70 EMA, 144 EMA, and 200 EMA. If you're looking for a systematic approach to catching trends, filtering trades, and maximizing profits, this EMA strategy is for you. Understanding EMAs, exponential moving averages, EMA, are key indicators that help identify trends, support, and resistance levels. Unlike simple moving averages, EMAs give more weight to recent price action, making them highly effective for dynamic market conditions. 21 EMA, short-term trend indicator for quick trade opportunities. 70 EMA, confirms midterm trends and acts as a trade filter. 144 EMA, identifies stronger trends and serves as dynamic support resistance. 200 EMA, major trend indicator used by institutional traders. How to use the EMA strategy. 1. Identifying the trend, bullish trend. Price trading above the 200 EMA indicates a long-term uptrend. Bearish trend. Price below the 200 EMA signals a long-term downtrend. 2. Entry signals. Buy setup. Price pulls back to 70 EMA or 144 EMA in an uptrend. 21 EMA crosses above the 70 EMA. Confirmation with bullish candlestick pattern or price rejection. Sell setup. Price pulls back to 70 EMA or 104 EMA in a downtrend. 21 EMA crosses below the 70 EMA. Confirmation with bearish candlestick pattern or resistance rejection. Stop loss and take profit. Stop loss. Below the 144 EMA in an uptrend or above it in a downtrend. Take profit. First TP at recent highs lows. Extended TP near the 200 EMA or major resistance support zones. Combining with market structure. For higher accuracy, use this strategy with smart money concepts, SMC, support and resistance levels, and price action confirmations. Avoid trading in ranging markets or during high-impact news events. A final thoughts. The 21 EMA, 70 EMA, 144 EMA, and 200 EMA strategy is a game changer for traders seeking structured entries and exits. Backtest it, refine it with risk management, and start applying it to your trades. Let us know in the comments if you use EMAs in your strategy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mukhlis Trading Academy, and hit the bell icon for more expert trading insights.